Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Your friends GM is here to share something more about English literatures. Today I have chosen for my video the topic post-Chaucer periods, means 15th century from 1400 to 1516. Let's start our video without any delay. 15th century 1400 to 1516. First of all, we will discuss about kings. Henry IV 1339 to 1413, Henry V 1413 to 1422, Henry VI 1422 to 1461, Edward IV 1461 to 1483, Edward V and Richard III 1483 to 1485. Tudor kings: Henry VII 1415 to 1509. History: 1415 Battle of Agincourt, 1428 Siege of Orleans, 1453 Fall of Constantinople, 1455 to 1485 10-year War of the Roses, 1482 to 1492 10-year, no particular periods of critical events. 1492 Columbus discovers America, 1498 Vasco da Gama discovers India. Literature of the periods: King's Choir by James I, King of Scotland, 1455 Gutenberg, Latin Bible German, 1470 Mallory's Le Morte d'Arthur, 1474 Caxton, a Burgess print the first book in English, Le Morte d'Arthur, printed by Caxton in 1485. 1499 Colet, Erasmus and Moors bring the new learning in England. 1409 Erasmus book Praise of Folly. 1516 Sir Thomas More's book Utopia. Thanks to watch the video on English literature. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks again. Thank you so much to listen this. Please, once again I am requesting that please subscribe, like and promote my channel to get more videos on English literature.